Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making creamy gochujang pasta loaded with shrimp and mushrooms. It's the perfect fusion of silky creamy pasta with familiar Korean flavors. Let's get started. For the sauce mixture, we need gochujang, gochugaru, sugar, black pepper, and oyster sauce. You can adjust the amount of gochugaru for your spice level and add a bit of water to thin out the sauce. How spicy would you like yours? Heat the oil, add the sliced onions, add salt and fry until it softens. Then add the whites of the green onion and garlic. Fry for another minute. Then add the mushrooms, any type you like. This is crimini and white button. Add the sauce mixture and fry for a couple of minutes. This is white wine, but you may substitute with broth or plain water. Add some butter, and this is a cup of heavy cream. Lower the heat to simmer. This is whole shrimp, which will slowly poach in the sauce. This is fettuccine cooked al dente. It'll continue to cook in the sauce. What kind of pasta would you use? Toss with freshly grated parmesan. Finish with more cheese and green onion. The sauce is so rich and creamy, the shrimp is very tender, and the mushrooms so flavorful. This dish is easy enough for a weeknight, but so delicious you will crave it over and over. Hope you try this recipe for creamy gochujang pasta. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.